a beater. Look at the top.
Hi guys, thanks for clicking on our video. As you can see by the title, we bought a 1972
Airstream land yacht. And we got it from Missouri for a few $1,000s. So we are going to take you on a journey on how we renovate this land yacht and turn it into a mobile home type of situation. So follow along with us as we go through this journey of our renovation. Thanks for watching. Done for. He's dry rotted on top of his dry rot. This is outrageous. They didn't replace this in 7 years. Okay, let's see. It is time in the morning here. Yeah, it's 12:40 in the morning. And we found this tire place that is actually putting these tires on. And yeah, how lucky are we? We blew out on the highway and we were just outside of the city. So we got on the Google and found a 24-hour spot, and here we are. A nice little company that's getting us done up right here. Handling business. Yes. Right. So I'll show you the finished product when we're done. Get home and get some sleep. So, this looks like a winner. 4 brand new tires. I have to pay for it anyway, so no biggie. Oh, that mug is shredded. Oh, wow.